In this episode of Dazzling Doll Dreams...
You haven't? You must try it then. There's two. Stop! I can't believe that she has a Gabby dollhouse. Dance with me, dance with me. Oh, this is fun.
Click subscribe now below.
Hey, listen. I have something exciting to tell you.
Ooh, what is it?
Tell us. Okay. Kaia got a new princess. Yeah. Oh, who is it? It's Cinderella. She's actually over there still sleeping. Oh, wait a minute. It looks like she's waking up. I'll go get her. Oh, wait up, Belle. I'm coming too. I'm coming. Oh, where am I? This is not where I remember falling asleep. Oh my goodness, my hands and my legs work? This is unusual. What is going on? Help! Somebody help me! I don't know what's happening. Does anyone around here have ears? Does nobody hear me? Please help! Help! Cinderella!
Don't worry, it's okay.
I'm Belle. And I'm Rapunzel. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too, but where am I? Oh, this is Kaia's room. Who's Kaia? Oh, Kaia is the little girl that loves us. Me? She loves me? Oh, you're her new dolly. Of course she loves you. You're going to love it here. It's so much fun. There's lots of other toys. Everybody is just so nice. Well, that sounds just wonderful. Hey, Belle? Yeah? Can I show her around Kaia's room? Please? Huh, Belle? Do you think that's okay? Yeah. I'm gonna go finish playing Candyland with the other princesses.
Ooh, yay, thanks, Belle.
Okay, then. It was nice to meet you, Cinderella. We'll see you soon. Okay, bye, Belle. Bye. Okay, so I want to show you something really awesome over this way. I have a horse. His name is Maximus. You have a horse? I do. You're going to love him, Cinderella. Come on, follow me. Ooh, I do love new toys coming to Kaia's room. I just hope she doesn't forget to love me as much. And here we are. This is my horse, Maximus. Oh, Maximus, you're a good boy. Do you want to pet him? Yeah, sure. I, don't know much about horses, but he looks pretty cute and nice. Sure. Okay, now, Maximus. Now you be nice, okay? Cinderella's new here. You need to be a sweet boy. Oh, there we go. Nice, Maximus. Good boy. Do you want to ride him? I'm not sure. I've never ridden a horse before. You haven't? You must try it then. Okay, I'll give it a shot. Oh, look, I got up all by myself. Ooh, great job, Cinderella. You're gonna do just fine. All right, Maximus, like I said, you be good and you go slow. Cinderella doesn't know how to ride a horse. All right, you're off now. Okay, go, Maximus. Go, good boy. Go ahead, Maximus. Oh, he doesn't want to listen to me, Rapunzel. Maximus? Maximus? Oh, my goodness, Rapunzel. Oh, Maximus, slow down. Oh, no, Maximus, I told you to go slow. She doesn't know how to ride a horse yet. Maximus, stop. You naughty boy. I told you to take it slow with Cinderella. I told you. Maximus. You are being so fresh. You're not getting your apples later. Oh, I'm so sorry, Cinderella. I'm so glad that you're okay and didn't get hurt. It was actually a little bit fun. Oh, well, I'm glad. That was scary. Do you want to meet the other princesses now? Yes, that sounds great. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Okay, I got 2 blues. So there's 1. And there's the other one. There's 2. Oh, perfect. Yay, it looks like I'm winning. Snow, it's your turn now. Go ahead. Oh, okay. Thank you, Ariel. Oh, you gotta pick a card first. That's right, I almost forgot. Let me go ahead and pick a card. What will it be? I got 2 purples. Yay! Let me go get my yellow piece. Oh, well, hello, Rapunzel. Hello. I just wanted to come over and introduce Cinderella to everybody. Oh, yes, of course. Come over this way. Hello, beautiful girls. Hello. Hey. Hello. I just wanted to introduce you to Cinderella. Cinderella, this is Snow White. We call her Snow for short. And next to her is Tiana. And then Ariel. And, of course, you already know Belle. Cinderella, we are so excited to have you here. We haven't had a new princess in so long. We really haven't. The last new princess was Jasmine, and while she's really cool and all, she's kind of always with Aladdin.
Ugh, boys,
Yeah, I totally know what you mean about boys, Tiana.
Oh, well, you girls seem like so much fun. I really cannot wait to come back and hang out soon. But I do need to go with Rapunzel so she can show me the rest of the room. All right, well, we'll be off now. Okay, bye. See you later. Bye.
Do you like Gabby's dollhouse, Cinderella? Oh, whoa, look at this. Kaia must have left some toys out. What do you think this thing is? Oh, it looks like a drum to me. Oh, yeah, that is Kaia's drum. Come on up here, Cinderella. Let's dance. Do a little bang, bang, bang on the drum, drum, drum. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Oh, I don't, it's a little scary. Come on, Cinderella, get on up here. Oh, all right. Bang, 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 bang. Ooh, this is fun. Oh, wait, look what I found. Oh, what's that? It's a cymbal. Oh, I got the other one. Ready? Let's crash them together. Crash, 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 bang. Crash, bang, crash, bang, crash, crash, bang. Crash, 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 bang. Woo! That's called the Crash Bang song. That was very fun. Yeah, that was so much fun. I love jumping on the drum. All right, well, let's go on to Gabby's house. I want to show you where she lives. Come on, this way. All right, here we are. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that she has a Gabby dollhouse. I love Gabby. Me too, she's my favorite. Okay, all right, calm down. You don't want to be too excited when you meet her. She's really cool. She's normal like us. All right, okay, come on, let's go knock on the door. Okay. Gabby, you home? Gabby. Maybe she didn't hear me. Let me knock again. Gabby? Oh, all the lights are off. It looks like she's not home right now. Maybe Kaia took her to daycare today. All right, we'll have to come back later. Okay, so this next part of the room is really cool because I love makeup. Do you love makeup, Cinderella? Oh, I do love makeup. All right, so this is Kaia's vanity. Ooh, you have to come around to the side and I'll show you the secret way to get up. Okay, come on this way. Ooh, a secret way? Yes, you can't tell anybody though. Okay, you promise? Yes. Pinky promise? Pinky promise. And here we are on the vanity. Oh, this is cool. What does this button over here do, Rapunzel? Try it. It's awesome. Oh, yeah. Dance with me. Ooh, I like this song. Dance with me. Ooh, this is fun. Yeah, this is fun. Rapunzel, yeah? You're an awesome friend. Oh, you too, Cinderella. I think I'm really gonna love it here. You will. Kaia's room's the best, I'm telling you. Ooh, yes. Can we come do this all the time? Yeah, let's do it. Let's have a party up here. A party with the other princesses? Oh my goodness, yes. Aw, bummer, it's done. Well, that's all right. I have another place to show you before we're done our tour. Follow me this way at the kitchen. Ooh, this is a lovely kitchen, Rapunzel. Yes, it's the best. Ooh. Kaia has like every pretend food there is to play with. The only problem is it is a little difficult to get up, but once you get it, you get it, and it won't be a problem again. Let me show you. Okay, yeah, show me. All right, so come over this way. What we have to do first is get up onto the handle of the fridge. Okay, so I'm gonna lift my arms up like this. All right, and then I have to take a really big jump like this. Whoa! Then you hold on to this handle and you pull yourself up. Whoa. Then it's just a quick swing to the ice maker, and then you can get right up onto the counter. Easy peasy, like this. Here, I'll show you. Uh-oh. Oh no, I think I'm stuck, Cinderella. Oh dear, I'll go get help. I'll tell the other princesses. I'll be right back. Okay, please hurry. Cinderella, what's wrong? Oh, girls. Cinderella, calm down. What's the matter? Rapunzel got stuck. She was trying to climb up onto Kaia's kitchen and oh no, she got stuck on the fridge handle. Oh no, poor Rapunzel. How are we gonna get her down? I don't know. I really don't know. Does anyone have any ideas? I have an idea. Oh, you do, Tiana? What is it? Well, why don't we go ask Big Anna? She's super tall and she should be able to reach her no problem. That's a great idea, Tiana. Okay, Cinderella, come with me. Let's go get her. Okay, so this is usually where Big Anna sleeps. Okay, where is she? I think, oh, there she is. She's over there. She's got the red hair. Follow me. Okay, quietly. There's a lot of dolls in here sleeping. Oh, yes, of course. Tiptoe. There she is. Excuse me, Anna? Anna, excuse me. Anna, we need help. Can you wake up, please? Big Anna, it's important. We need you. Big Anna, wake up, please. Come on. Oh, I think she's waking up. Yes, she is. She's turning over now. Oh, what do you want? Big Anna, I'm sorry to interrupt your beauty sleep. Yes. What do you need? We need help. Rapunzel got stuck on the fridge handle in the kitchen, and we didn't know how to get her down, so we figured we'd come ask you. You're so big and tall, and you can reach her no problem, can't you, please? Anna, please? Oh, of course I'll help a fellow princess. Oh, I just wish you didn't wake me up while I was sleeping. Again, sorry, but it's an emergency. Yes, I know. Oh, I'm getting up. All right, I'll follow you two. Let's go rescue Rapunzel. Oh, yes, thank you so much, Big Anna. Rapunzel, we're back. We got Big Anna to help get you down. Oh, thank goodness you came back. I was getting really worried. I didn't know if you were going to be able to find a way to get me down. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared. Please, help! Oh no, Big Anna, come quick. She's slipping. She's falling. Help her. I'm coming, Rapunzel. Don't worry. I will catch you. You're not going to get hurt. Oh, thank you, Big Anna. Oh my goodness. Gotcha. You saved me, thank you. I was so scared. No problem, but be more careful in the future. Oh, I will. Oh, girl. Rapunzel, we're so happy you're okay. Oh, that was so scary. We thought you might break. Oh, we're so happy you didn't. Oh, me too. And thank you so much for helping save our friend, Big Anna. You're the best. Oh, it's no problem. You girls are such good friends. You know I'd help you anytime. All right, well, I'm going to head back over to the tent and finish my nap. I sure am tired now. Okay, and we're playing Candyland outside the tent, so if you'd like to join us after your nap, please do. Okay, I definitely will. Thanks, girls. I'll see ya. All right, bye, Big Anna. Bye. Bye, girls. And goodbye to all of you. Thanks for watching. Please join us again for more fun times in Kaia's room. We'll be here. Bye.